Hello friends, in today's Excel formula, we are going to discuss about Coupdaysnc formula. This Coupdaysnc formula is used for calculating the coupon period in the bonds, and this particular formula gives us the return. It gives the number of days from the settlement date to the next coupon date. Means from this settlement date, how many more days are left for the payment of the next coupon. So let's understand it by an example. Issue date is the date of bond when the bond is been issued. Settlement date is the date when the investor in the security has taken possession of this bond. Maturity date is the final maturity of the bond, irrespective of in whose hands it is. So on this 1st May 2025, the company which has issued the bond is going to pay back the amount, the principal amount to the investor along with the accrued interest. Years is the tenor of the bond. Coupon rate is the interest paid on the bond. In this case, we are taking 6% as the coupon interest. And then frequency is the frequency of payment of coupon. So if the interest is paid only annually, then we have to put 1. For semi-annual it is 2, and for quarterly we have to put 4. Basis is the day count convention. So here we are taking actual by 360. If you do not put anything in this, then automatically it will take US convention, that is 30 by 360. In US convention, the number of days is been calculated as 30 in every month, irrespective of the actual days. So now let's work it out. Coupdaysnc. So press insert function, choose the formula Coupdaysnc, put the settlement date, put the maturity date, put the frequency, and then the basis, and you will get that 140 days are left for the payment of coupon from this 14th of June 2021, which is the settlement date. So I hope this video has made your concept clear on Coupdaysnc formula. We'll again come back with another video. Thank you.